Hi friends, I'm Rovina. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the art of cutting and cleaning fish. Let's get started. Hold the fish securely in your left hand. I use Lord's brand pair of scissors. I have mentioned the link for buying this in the description box. Let's trim the fins on both sides. This video is helpful for beginners. Please watch the video till the end for all the tips on cutting fish. It's time to make the fish shine. I have a special scaling tool to remove those scales effortlessly. Again, check the link for buying this in the description box. Now focus near the head, make a clean cut and gently pull out the gills. It's an important step for thorough cleaning process. Moving on to the belly of the fish, carefully cut along the stomach, ensuring not to puncture the organs. Remove those intestines and bid farewell to the tail. I collect all the waste in a plastic container and store in the refrigerator and discard it with the wet waste. Now let's start to clean the fish. Take a closer look at the stomach area. You might notice a thin black portion or indent. This needs to be removed completely. If you find this video interesting, please comment your views in the comment section. Let's clean the fish for the second time. Since we have thoroughly cleaned it, we just have to rinse it. Washing twice is more than enough. It's time for a quick salt and vinegar soak. Please read the description box for all details on soaking. Use very little water to wash after soaking it and just soak it for 5 minutes, not more than that. I am showing you how to make cuts for using this fish for frying, and here I am showing you how to make pieces for preparing curry. I hope this video will be useful to you and you enjoyed watching it. Once again, I remind you all to go through my description box where I have included all the tips and tricks on cutting, cleaning and soaking the fish, since I couldn't include everything during the video. Thank you friends.